What's up, guys? Welcome back. Resident Alien, requested by Parswell on Patreon. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, he's meeting the actor. That's cool. So, let's go. He's meeting him soon, I think. We're going to start with the eyes, those big, round, sort of alien eyes. And they kind of like join his eyebrows. So, center point to my page is about here, right? We'll go across and attempt to do this frown. And there's like another eyelid. Okay, so let's go. Right now I'm just trying to figure this. Yeah, no, it's here. Sorry. Curving around, right? Okay, big, round alien eyes. To there, round like that, right? And then the other side, similar. There's like these eyelid skin shapes as well. Make this a bit bigger. Okay, now they don't have to be the exact same, because they're not actually. I'm looking at the picture and they're not like the exact same shape. So, but we will add like a highlight, right? So what we're going to do is add these sort of square highlights on this eye and color around it to make it look sort of dark, right? And shiny. Two ways of doing this. You can color, you can leave a gap, or you can color the whole thing and add like Tipex or white paint, right? So I'll just color it now. Okay, so these big frowns, right? They curve around. And they eventually go up like his head, right? They go up those ridges on the head. But we do have like some eyelid lines and stuff sort of coming around the eye. So like these little pockets of skin and stuff just coming around, like his bags under his eyes and everything, like just stuff like this. Lots of sort of wrinkly skin lines and everything. Okay. And then he's like some extra little sort of frowning sections that come across the eye as well. And then like his nose is kind of like a cat's kind of nose, like going down. Not much of a nose really. It's kind of flat. So we got then cheekbones that come around his face. Okay, and these kind of go down to where his mouth is. We just have this flat sort of mouth like so. And then there's lots of these like little wrinkles and things coming up from the side of the mouth. Like bottom lip, sort of there. Okay. So then it's chin, just here. Right? And then this will go up to like a bulbous sort of shape on the side of his face. Sort of his head disappears into it, it looks like. So it looks like his roundy head comes out there. Right, so like we'll attempt to do something similar on this side. And then so the roundy head kind of comes out from the side, goes up there. It's like an extra sort of line there. And then he has this ridge thing on his chin. Now remember, if I'm moving too fast, hit your pause button. Okay, that's what I got so far. Another little sort of cheekbone area in there, and there. So it looks like a kind of a hand is like wrapping around his head. It's like an octopus or something, right? So this ridge comes up to the top of the head there. This one, similar. Right? And then these come up to the middle, to a pointy bit in the middle, and then back down to there. Right? So, and these kind of like bump up here as well. And come back down around his eye. Sort of like that. And then there's another few that wrap around the side of his head. Join his cheekbones, I think. There. And then this one. Like that. And he's got some extra sort of frowny, sort of wrinkly sections. And then there should be side of his head there. So he has a ridge, sorry, side of his head here as well, and the ridge coming right up the middle. And this one's, what way is that drawn in? Okay, so it looks like it's like this, right? And it kind of disappears into here. But we got like an extra, like it kind of goes like wrinkly out that way, and then sort of joins his skin. It's kind of a looser bone structure than the rest. This is like colored blue, and there's like some scales and stuff inside. So the best way I found to draw scales is just to add little textures like this, clusters of those, and then add your color, your different sort of shades on top. It's just like an illustration sort of way of doing it. So see, like it gives the illusion that this is all scaly while not having to fill in the whole space. It's just quicker, really. And I think if you got into like drawing every scale, it would get like a bit blocky looking, I'd say, probably. So that's his head. He's got like a fur coat on. Well, it's like a winter jacket, I guess. So, neck is down the side here, kind of skinny alien neck. Neck muscles going down towards his chest. There isn't an Adam's apple, it's just this sort of wrinkly neck skin. And then like some more sort of neck muscle lines there. And then he's got like a shirt. A shirt underneath his shirt. Must be winter wherever he's living. Buttons here. And then a collared shirt. So like one of these guys with the spiky edges to it. Boop. Right, the button here. Just going around his neck. Another one. Like so. And then like a fur coat with the inside of it, say. Oh, where would that go? Bring it kind of open, so going down there, just like shirt lines and stuff. Stitching on that one. Comes around his shoulder down there. And then just like fur lines. It's kind of like open and has a zipper along the edge, so let's just go for this. There's all these spikes for fur. And you could do some fur lines inside and just along the back. And this is like a zipper section. Goes down that way. Then the rest of the fur goes back in here. Then like some folding lines just on the inside of this jacket. Alien with the fur. And then jacket comes down there. Shoulder. Zipper sort of edge. And collar. Shoulder. Zipper. Boop, 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 boop. And then like some folding lines just on the collar here, curving around. Right. Bit of shade, a bit of color maybe. Hope it's helpful. Resident Alien. Thanks for the request and support Parzival on Patreon. Anyone else? Head over to Patreon. If there's like something you're trying to get me to draw and you're like trying to get me to draw it for ages, it's definitely the quickest way. Or super thanks on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.